Who will land the first significant blow? The inevitable tension in the air in a big heavyweight clash as Fury kicks down and goes to the bottom.
Well though, Ngannou on the front foot, but yet to land anything. Can he get close? This is where he needs to
throw. Sometimes the novice himself doesn't even know.
Yeah, certainly carries power. We've heard that in the build-up. We've seen it in the build-up. Ngannou, but that power has no value. Trying to find openings. That's better from Ngannou. That's the shot he needs to work. The jab to the body.
To the body also. As he backs off to the ropes, another shot to the body from Ngannou.
An interesting approach from Ngannou. I thought he might come out all guns blazing. Yeah, I think they'll both be happy to get that first round out of the way. A lot of tension in that first round, but they're the right hands that Tyson Fury has landed. Like I say, he's taken the sting out of the He does it so quickly, does Tyson Fury. That's what's made him so successful. Just reads the fighter's pattern so comfortably. You see that he's always feinting, a lot of non-punch. He leans back, you can see Ngannou there, and he leaves the lead hand exactly where it is, so that's where the right hand has landed from Fury, and this is what I'm interested in seeing. Ngannou up close. He just can't get close at the minute. Ngannou lands a nice counter left hook though, as Tyson Fury was low, throwing the jab to the body. And like I say, this is where I'm intrigued to see Ngannou up close, grabbing hold of Fury. He's got to be...
It was the uppercut against Alistair Overeem in 2017 in UFC 218 that was said to be his breakout performance.
I mean,
as Fury switches to the southpaw stance just after halfway in the second round.
He nearly took Overeem's head off with that uppercut, but totally different proposition here against Tyson Fury. Like I say, you have to try and make that power valuable, and can he do that against Fury, who's so far?
He was dabbing away at that after an exchange with Ngannou. Ngannou landing solidly to the torso of the Gypsy King at the start of this third round.
What's that? Good stance. Does carry the lead hand a little low, stretched out in front. Like I say, that's allowed Fury to find that right hand as he nearly does there. Good footwork from Ngannou, just sliding out of range. He also has his right hand tacked up high. Oh, good left hook from Ngannou. Get close again, Ngannou throwing the double jab.
And Fury surely won't allow Ngannou the time to grow in confidence.
That's a constant bag of tricks. Switching back to southpaw, Tyson Fury. Throwing that jab to the body again. He's just neglected it. He landed a couple of good shots to the body in the previous round. Let's see him work again, but he needs to up the tip southpaw, but struggling. I mean, he landed a couple of good right hands in, certainly in this third round. That's better. Sharp top picking.
Oh, big shot from Ngannou, who dances after his success. And
I mean, what have we just witnessed there? It was a cupping left hook on the top of the head of Tyson Fury, and those really do scramble your senses. He waited really, really well. He let Tyson Fury lead, then he threw that check. I mean, what have we just witnessed there? It was a cup. Left hook on the temple of Tyson Fury. You can see the eyes look very dazed, glazed for a second or two. Unbelievable when you think you've seen it all in boxing. Left hook on the temple of Tyson Fury. You can see the eyes look very dazed, glazed for a second or two. Unbelievable. ball. When you think you've seen it all in boxing.
This is a gimmick. Now have to rethink as Ngannou goes on the front foot. The relative novice against the dominant heavyweight of the last decade. And up on his toes goes Fury now. Down once again for the 7th time in his career. And suddenly an aura of jeopardy around the fight. And a touch of acknowledgement for Fury. Hard to be believed. So how now can Ngannou consolidate that success from the third
Force defensively, but the boxing, like I say, shapes up very well as a fight. Tyson Fury out of sorts here.
And suddenly hesitancy in the eyes of Tyson Fury.
Like I said, the previous round, saying that Tyson Fury is a bag of tricks. Well, he's dealt with those tricks so well in Ngannou. Change of stance from Tyson Fury. He's done the same thing himself, actually. Lands a couple of good left there, Fury. Lands a couple of good left there.
And this has a very different flavour to Conor McGregor against Floyd Mayweather in Las Vegas.
Right hand from Fury. Very, very positive signs if you're a fan of Ngannou.
Fury. The legends at ringside, Larry Holmes and Manny Pacquiao and Evander Holyfield.
Yeah, the oohs and the ahs around the arena as that right hand whistles past Tyson Fury. This is better.
Start to tell. Good shot from Tyson Fury. But Ngannou again takes it well. Start to tell. Good shot from Tyson Fury.
Yeah, it was a better round that for Fury. And there's that 1-2, the right hand. He misses with the second one, but that first one catches Ngannou clean. Let's have a look at it from this angle. Wasn't fully on the chin of Ngannou, but enough to put many heavyweights to the canvas. But a better round from Fury. Started getting behind the jab, a bit more confident.
December, maybe needing time himself to just work his way back into a rhythm.
See Ngannou's looking for counters.
He's got real respect for the power of Ngannou.
Yeah, rightly so. I mean, to be dropped by that, yes, will certainly do that. He's just got behind his boxing now, using the jab well. Yeah, he's struggling now, Ngannou. He's walking onto shots, struggling to find the target of his own shots. There's the uppercut. Yeah, so you see Ngannou switching to the southpaw stance, and Fury, though he's back to his boxing, he's using the fundamentals very well. Nice left hand, though, from Ngannou. He's starting to find the range with this right hand now. Tyson Fury, he's better off fighting out the orthodox stance. Ngannou, because a good round in response from Ngannou. He needed it. That was the long left hook that seemed to back, well, it did back Fury into the neutral corner. It seemed to trouble him slightly. You see the eyes there. He knew he'd been caught with a shot, and it didn't look like it had much substance in the shot. Just shows you how hard Ngannou does punch, and you see there landing some hooks on the side of the head of Fury. Fury landed another right hand. Ngannou is the fact that he's been out the ring well over a year, an awful long time, but his timing has been very, very good. He just kind of
Mark in terms of the boxing time, which is the longest that Ngannou has been. Five-minute rounds.
Still looked relatively good. I mean, it did look as if a few rounds ago he was starting to breathe heavily, but he certainly got his second wind and still looking fair.